2-pound tomahawk ribeye on this Pit Boss pellet grill today. I've been wanting to do one of these for a long time. Wasn't planning on it. Walking through the grocery, there it laid in the meat counter. Let's get cooking. Oh, look what we've got today. That's right, 2-pound tomahawk ribeye. Look at that. Ain't she a beauty? All right, let's keep it simple. I got right here my own salt, pepper, garlic combination. Use your own. You can just use salt if you want. Just use pepper, whatever you like, right? And it's a really thick steak, so you can go a little heavy. Don't have to worry about over-salting this ginormous steak. Okay, we're going to get the ends of it. Oh, yes. I have always wanted to cook one of these. And today's the day. I got this Pit Boss set on 200 degrees. You can see it's currently running at 180. Okay. And as you've watched my videos before, this is the fire end on this thing. So I'm going to place this bad boy down here, like so. Okay. And I want to put a temp probe in it. The folks at SMARTRO sent me this out. I've got it set on 107 degrees. We'll just get this probe in down here, up towards the middle there. Okay. That's a big enough probe. There we go. All right. Let's get the door shut. All right, you can see I had this set for 107. It's up to 109. It's been going off here for a couple minutes. We're going to get this steak off here for a minute. Oh yeah, let me get that temp probe out. Okay, what I'm going to do now is bring this thing up to temperature. Okay, get that grate out. Shove that bad boy over like so. Put that grate back in. And then crank this temperature all the way up. We'll give it about 5 minutes and let it come up to temp. All right, our temp is almost 500. We're going to get this guy on here and let it go a minute, minute and a half. We've been 1.5 minutes. Now what we're going to do is just turn this guy a little bit. Okay, let it go another minute and a half. It's been another minute and a half. Oh, look at that. Is that beautiful or what? Okay. We're going to do the same thing on this side, a minute and a half each side. Then get it off here. Okay, let's get that bad boy off here. Look how beautiful. Oh, yeah. She's been resting here 10 minutes. You can see 142, so she's going to be approaching medium. So the first thing we're going to do, just cut this bone off, okay? Oh yeah. I'm just going to cut it right across the middle. All right. We'll both look at it together. There she is. Now it depends on, you know, your frame of reference. Some people are going to say that's medium rare. Some are going to say it's leaning more towards medium. I say it's leaning more towards looking delicious, okay? So let me give this a taste test, and we'll see how it is. I hope you can see that. It's just full of juice. Can you see that in the camera? Look at the juice there. Steak is absolutely delicious.